Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I just want to give you guys an update here. So, I have a treat in store for this one. So, today I'm going to be seeing the dc03. So, I looked at the dc03 Dyson. You can see this. Okay, I'm just going to remove this. Okay, that's better. Okay, so another quick review about this Dyson dc03. So I'm going to do a demonstration here. So this dc03 is just quite loud, but it's quite noisy, but it's okay. So just need to stack some more books. So let me see from there. Right now, there we go. So I've got this Dyson dc03. It was stored. So today I'll be vacuuming with this Dyson dc03. So any kind of vacuum. So yeah, I think that's it. So now I'm gonna just got this fuse plug. This square plug. I'm gonna just shut this. Okay, let's see it's on. Oh, nope, not on. Okay, so got this quick demonstration there. So what am I going to do is lift up right. So right, let me see where the brush bar is. Go turn it on. That's very good. Very good machine. Right. Right. So I'm going to put this sitting. You see Manny sitting. You can see for me. Right. Okay. Just joking. Wow, it's just a good machine, but I like this, but it's just a bit noisy, just a bit more noisy than a DC, than a small Balaji. So what am I gonna do now is make sure is this vacuum is a good one. Right. Wow. This is the yellow one, and this is the dc03 absolute Dyson. It's an absolute. So if you want to just put this there, then you need to put this tool right over there. Then I need to just do it. Here it goes. Here it comes. Wow! This Dyson dc03 has a nice, it's nice and it is just a bit noisy, but just a bit noisy motor, and Dyson dc just a bit noisy. So this has lots of crumbs on this Dyson. Right. You see, this Dyson dc03 has split hose. So you want to just get this, move the bin. So it's yellow. It's when I'm gonna show it to you. This one used to have the old motor, and then it got replaced by a new motor. So this got it got a new motor fitted in. It was broken before, because this motor had run out of motor, because it's run out, and then I need to remove the old motor from the dc03, and then we had to replace the new motor with a dc03, and then it works, and then it makes good as new. So it has it, but it's not a new motor anymore. So it's just, the motor's just how it is. Motor was in 2012, and the motor, so we've got 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. So I was just gonna show it. 2013, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. And the Dyson dc03 had this motor. It's just about 4 years old. Just about 4 years old. But it's pretty good. It's just about 5 years old. So it's just about 5 and 6 years old when it's got this motor. So it's 8 years. It must have been 8. It's 8 years. The motors must have been 8 years old. This motor was 2013, 2020. Yeah, and this motor got replaced with this brand new motor, and this bin had a broken before. Then you had to remove this old bin, and it's replaced the new yellow bin. So it's yellow. It's a yellow Dyson dc03 Absolute, and so I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to switch it on just for a minute. Wow, how just a bit noisy. It's not quiet. It's just a bit. It's just quiet. And it's noisy and quiet. So nice Dysons have lots of suction. So, do you want to see this? I'll show you guys. This brush bar has a very hairy brush bar. So, what am I going to do for now is to end this video. Okay, I need to end this video But thanks for watching from me and my dc03, and so please remember to subscribe to this channel, and please leave a comment, and stay tuned from the full episodes of my dc03, and so guys, please remember to leave a comment and send requests. So I've got this dc03 on board. Okay, I'm gonna wrap the cord now. I'm gonna wrap this cord. I'm gonna the cables. It's a cable. Okay, let me set the camera to other side. I'm gonna put this camera down. So I'm going to unplug it. Right. So I've unplugged from the main. So now this Dyson. Now I'm going to simply wrap the cord up. Okay. So going to use this. Now I'm going to, there we go, all corded up. So well, this guys is spotted. Right. So anyways, thanks for watching for my video of the dc03. Remember to subscribe. Then I might use the dc03 next time, or the dc07, as long as it's not too loud. But it's too loud for me. Okay, please leave a comment. Just remember to subscribe to us, and turn on our notifications, and send requests in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Okay.